Hey there, we're out here doing some bass fishing on a lake. What I've got now is a Zebco rod and reel combo. It's a little bit different than your bail spin fishing rod or bait caster. What it does is it uses a thumb mechanism here to engage. And so when you're casting, you press down on your thumb here on this button. And as you bring the rod forward, when you get to where you want the lure to go, you just release your thumb. So you go like this, and it pops out like that, and you reel in. You're on the fish in no time.